Hey, what's up everyone? I decided to dedicate a video to this particular occurrence that took place on Saturday night. Now, this was reported 4 days ago on Twitter, but the strange sound that we heard is a particular frequency. It sounded like a sort of like that mixed with what they generally describe as the hum. And that took place on Saturday night. It was kind of like that, mixed with the other sound. I've heard many frequencies, sounds, music. I've heard many different things since I was a child. But these various frequencies pique my interest. They catch my attention because it's something unexplained, something unnatural, or pretty much anything out of the ordinary interests me. It fascinates me. I have many interesting and fascinating stories that I'm going to share, hopefully, in the future. I hope. So that's what happened on Saturday night. I heard that frequency. That's one thing that happened. Heard those sounds. And they kind of hurt your ears and your head. So give your thoughts. Did you hear anything on Saturday night? Did you hear the frequencies Saturday night? Peace, much love, and signing out. My links are below if you'd like to show support for the channel, if you'd like to show support for me. Every little bit helps. Even $1 helps. I love you all so much. Did you hear the sounds? Let me know.